Once upon a time in a small garden, there lived a little ant. This ant was very hardworking. Every day, it woke up early and searched for food. One sunny morning, the ant found a big breadcrumb. It was so big that the ant could not carry it easily, but the ant did not give up. It pushed and pulled the breadcrumb with all its strength. Sometimes the breadcrumb got stuck in rocks. Sometimes the wind blew it away. The ant felt tired. It wanted to stop, but then it thought to itself, "If I give up now, I will have no food for my family. I must keep trying." The ant tried and tried. Many hours passed. Other animals saw the ant struggling. A bird said, "Why are you wasting time? That crumb is too big for you." A snail laughed and said, "You are too small to do this." But the ant ignored them. It believed in itself. It kept moving the breadcrumb step by step. Slowly, the ant reached its home. All the other ants came out to see. They cheered. "You did it! You brought food for us." The ant was tired but happy. It learned a big lesson that day. No matter how hard the journey is, if we work hard and never give up, we can achieve anything. This story reminds us to stay strong, believe in ourselves, and never stop trying, no matter how difficult life becomes. So let's channel our inner ant and keep pushing forward, even when the journey gets tough. Because with perseverance and determination, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve our goals.